What's up, YouTube? So it is September 2nd when I'm filming this, and if you haven't known this, I'm actually located in South Florida, and if you've been paying attention to the news recently, we have a Category 5 hurricane heading straight our way. So you can see my house, see even the neighbor's house over here. We're all kind of shuttered up, preparing for impact of this storm. So biggest downfall for me anyway, in the garage I have the jet ski and the Corvette. So Rebel, my wife's car, those are going to be sitting outside bracing the impact of the storm. So this is just kind of a little before and after video. Hopefully none of these big ass trees find their way onto my truck right here. So this is just going to be a little bit of a update video, just kind of prepping for the storm. Then probably just driving around checking out the aftermath of the storm itself, and then hopefully we don't have anything to document as far as damage to the vehicles after the storm. So stick around, check out the video. Yeah, so like you see, everybody more or less all shuttered up now. I don't know if you guys can see right now, but more or less all those houses right there that are on the lake there and on the lake there, they have all their shutters as well. You know, everyone's just more or less bracing for this storm coming. So what we're going to be doing right now is we're just going to be running over to the gas station. You know, I'm more or less full, but I know I'm going to be working after the storm. It comes with my job. So I'm going to need to try and get as much fuel as possible in this thing. I'm also going to be filling up some little tanks just to have, you know, for the generator or anything, because I'm more or less sure we're going to be losing power for some time now. But yeah, look, the roads, they're more or less dead right now. The storm is supposed to be hitting us late tonight. So I'm going to be very surprised if a lot of places are actually still even open. So let's just go ahead, keep going, see what we can find. So we're pulling up to the first gas station right now, and it appears to be that they are totally out of gas. And you can see we got all the gas pumps here, just kind of saran wrapped and covered up. Alright, so we're gonna head over to the next one, see what we can find. So here we are, gas station number 2, and it appears that some of the pumps are actually still open. You can see a lot of them here, they're taped off. You know, obviously that means that there's no fuel left. Shit, even look at the gas station itself, all boarded up. We got Publix right here, fully closed, all shuttered up. And then we come over to Home Depot, and it's wild that they're still open. And it's kind of sad for all the employees that need to, you know, get their shit together, but they're still open and it's fucking packed. I guess people just getting their last minute supplies. A lot of people over here loading up plywood to board up their doors and windows with. So yeah, for now I think this is gonna be it. I'm gonna head back towards the house, check on the weather, see what's going on. Actually I might head over to the beach as well, try and check out the storm surge.
These people are nuts. 48 hours later.
So here we are, guys, a few days later. Look at this weather right now. Not a cloud in the sky. It's currently 100 degrees out here. It'd be hard to believe that just a few days ago there was a Category 5 hurricane a few miles offshore. But here in Florida, we got very lucky. The storm just kind of veered away from us. We didn't really get any damage. We didn't get a lot of rain, a lot of wind even in my area. That's about the extent of my damage right there. So the Rebel is fine. You know, really good news for everyone in Florida. I can't say the same about the Bahamas. They got devastated. Really sad situation over there. You know, thinking about you guys over there. But yeah, you can see in here, we were all prepped. Got fuel, generator, some water there. Already took off the shutters. So yeah, really random video, but just got some new parts for the Rebel over here. So I know I've been giving you a lot of Gladiator content, but we're gonna be getting back into the Rebel. Some control arms there that we're gonna be installing. So yeah, guys, really random video. Thought I was gonna have some more to show for you guys, but yeah, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Stick around for more of the project. We're gonna be diving back into the Rebel. So yeah, guys, later.